All right, guys, so before I hop into this video, I want to thank Don and Donna once again for a great time yesterday. Melanie and I truly enjoyed meeting you, and of course, all the support that you guys provide for the channel. We made it home last night after 10 o'clock, after a long day. We checked out another vehicle on the way home, but I'm sure if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, I was leaking a lot of information the last couple of days, but more updates to come. But more importantly, Don is a volunteer at Healing Field, Field of Honor. I'll link it below. He's a veteran. He served the United States Navy, so I want to thank you again, Don, for all your support, especially in these crazy times that we're living in. We got to support our veterans. A lot of them are older, living home, especially with COVID, keeping them indoors. The Field of Honor allows communities to get together and do little activities with the veterans in their communities all across the United States. And this was started already back in 2001 after September 11th. Just to kind of bring awareness to each community. So I'm going to donate a little bit of money. There goes my phone. I'm going to donate a little bit of money, and I hope that you guys can support it as well, since this is part of the Saab community. So thanks again, guys. Enjoy this video. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, please smash the subscribe button. If it's not your first time, thanks for your continued support. Also, be sure to give this video a like. It helps the channel out a lot when you actually like the video. So please do that, and also leave your comments below. Today, after 3 months of COVID lockdown, we are finally driving the 2003 Saab 9.5 up to its new owner. And behind me we have my wife, Melanie. She's driving the 2002 Saab 9.3 convertible. So we're taking a Saab road trip. It's about 3 hours of a drive. And today it's gonna be beautiful weather out, so we're excited about that. We'll probably have the top down later and enjoy. But for now, guys, stay tuned for the updates. This is a true testament of all the work that we've done on the car. I've driven about 350 miles on the car in total since we've completed everything. So, you know, there's enough miles in there to throw a check engine, which we did, which was the cassette, and we fixed it. So knock on some wood here. Hopefully I'm not jinxing it, that we have a smooth trip. And so far, beautiful day. Temperatures right now 73 degrees, optimal Saab temperature, just about. 60s is even better, but great temperatures out. We have 3 hours. By 11 a.m. we'll arrive right before the heat of the day. Yeah, air conditioning is blowing cold, so we're good there. And yeah, full tank, excited to go. We're finally moving on with this project, which is exciting because we've done a lot of work. If you haven't seen any of the videos, be sure to check out the playlist. I'll link it right here above. So stay tuned, guys. Enjoy. All right, guys, so we are almost on the New York. We're just about at the New York border here in North Jersey. Here you can see the mountains out there. But typical Saab fashion, which is good. Just about 27, 28, 29 miles to the gallon in that area, depending on the hill. So she's burning fuel efficiently, boys. It's a great day out here. hanging out. Don't give me no lines and keep your hands to yourself. Have fun. Alright boys, we're taking a little pit stop here. We got another hour left of driving. So far, we are running hot and nice, running good. I need my mask, hold on. How you doing over here? How's your tank? 3/4? I'm gonna grab my little maskies over here so I don't get yelled at by the mask police. Alright, let's do it. See you guys here in a minute. Look at those two black on black Saabs right there. Looking good. It's a fun day. We're having fun. Alright. Always do a little walk around, check out the tires, make sure everything looks good. A-okay. Alright boys, we are 15 minutes out. Making it there slowly but surely. Here it looks like a little bottlenecking getting onto the Massachusetts Turnpike here. So yeah, 15 minutes, we'll be there. Stay tuned, boys. Alright guys, we are pulling into the driveway. It looks like they have another Saab. They have another Saab 9.5. Look at that. Good stuff. Alright. Beautiful. See if we film the owner here. I'll keep you posted. Alright guys, so we're here with Don and Donna. And we counted 66 email correspondence since March 6th.
Yeah.
So March 6th we announced that he wanted to buy the car.
Yep.
And then COVID broke out March 20th, I think, somewhere over there. They shut things down.
Yeah, we shut down on the 15th, and then Governor Baker secured the state on the March 18th.
Yeah.
We started our COVID crisis.
Crisis.
So yeah.
So, and you were asking me some questions. He has a lot of fun watching the videos. So.
Yeah, I have a great time. I mean, we do have a great time watching these videos. We enjoy them so much, like so many others.
Yep.
And, you know, today was finally the day, you know, the car's en route. It's so exciting. It's such a mystery. What's going to happen? And we got together and we thought of one single question that we wanted to ask Kyle. It was, how do you feel? You know, given all the work and all the effort and energy and that you put into these cars, especially mine, I hope. And, you know, we're just wondering how you felt about it, because it's a lot of work to keep the legacy alive.
So my answer to that in short is it feels good, because you obviously have a passion for the brand and the car, and they also have another one over there. So
yeah, that's our mom's car. My mom passed a few years ago.
Yeah. And
we maintain like sort of that connection with my mom and
through the vehicle,
kind of the car, and keeping it up, and with the family and everything else. So yeah, it's an act of love. There's no question about it.
So my feeling is good. My first Saab that I sold obviously had an attachment to, and I always felt bad afterwards.
Yeah.
But from here on out, since we've started the YouTube channel and everything, it just feels good to help the community. Everybody's always asking questions and reaching out, and you know, that's my answer in short.
Yeah.
So
well,
it's a lot of fun.
It's a wonderful commitment, and it's just so great to see it. And it's even better to see it in my driveway. Getting ready to be mine.
He just has to sign the paperwork.
You know, I mean, we're gonna sign the paperwork and take the Jersey plates off, and
that's it.
And then we're headed down the road.
Yeah, it just it runs pretty good. You know, little stuff.
Yeah.
It's a Saab, so it's always little stuff.
Everyone's got a Saab story. We have more than our fair share of ours. Yes.
So do we.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, they're all fun and games once they're running again.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys, we'll keep you updated. Thanks for tuning in, and I got one more story to share with you, so you'll have to stay tuned for that one.
All right.
Happened last night, actually, when we were filling the Saab up for gas, so pretty fun stuff.
And
we were talking about buying a Turbo X for the Turbo X that I was working on selling, and they got one.
Yeah, we ended up finding one.
Nice.
56,000 miles. It looks like it's brand new condition.
Yeah, it really does. Looks really nice.
I think it was owned by a little old lady from Pasadena, but if it wasn't, it was something similar to that. It's amazing.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How much fun is it?
It's awesome.
It's the most enjoyable Saab I've ever driven.
Yeah. Yep.
I really enjoy them a lot.
So we,
oh, and you got a manual.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why. That was one of the reasons we wanted the 60.
Wow.
And so it was a crazy find. And if you look at the condition, it's amazing.
It's in good shape. Really clean.
Sort of collector, but you guys got it started. You guys have
56,000 boys.
You know, we started
We influenced you?
We did. You have.
Awesome.
And still do. I mean, I'm still
love
looking
it.
at all this stuff. So.
Beautiful car.
But this is what started when you were watching the videos on yours. We started, tinkering around, and then of course Donna turned 29 again this year. So she needed a special gift.
Best year yet.
A special gift.
I just turned 30, so I'm one up
There
on
you
you.
go. There you go. We're chasing you day for day. So yeah, it's an all-wheel drive Turbo X with a 6-speed and 56K and
Wow.
immaculate condition. I mean,
It
Donna
really
does
is.
this body finger test. And she's our secret weapon. And she goes around and checks everything, and it's just incredible
Yeah.
condition.
One owner,
Really clean.
car.
One owner,
The
clean
car
car.
is just like flawless.
Yeah. It's like the one I got. One owner,
Yeah.
clean Carfax, but obviously it needed some TLC.
Look at all
So
the stuff you've done to it. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
it came out
an
nice.
amazing vehicle.
yeah, it's
But
so
anyway,
much fun.
There you go. This is we have a set of sob stories now.
We have more than one Saab
Yeah.
story. We got 3.
Yeah, keeping the legacy
It's just
alive.
beginning.
Keeping the legacy alive.
Keeping them going, guys.
That's really true.
Amazing.
Very true. But
Cool. We'll see you
thank
guys. All right, guys. We just got the bill of sale notarized. We are in Saab country. Check out that 9.5 right there, just hanging out. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right, guys. So be sure to just check out the links below that I talked about earlier on in the video. If you guys want to donate, do something good for some veterans. It's a great organization that Don's part of. So if you guys want to support it, fellow Sauber, check it out. Also, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe on this video. Definitely give it a like. It's good for the YouTube algorithm. So if you can do that, appreciate your support. And if you guys want to follow me at Kyle Pancis on Instagram, you guys can reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Well, guys, I keep forgetting to tell the story. I did the intro and then I forgot to talk about it in the car, and here I am trying to finish up the video, and gotta tell you the story. The night before we went to deliver the Saab 9.5 to Don and Donna, I filled the car up with gas at the gas station, and there was, obviously the tire pressures are all normal in the car. I filled up the car and I was like, you know what? Just in case, let's top the tire off in the trunk, the spare, just in case we needed it, right? So of course it was low, but there was like a family. The gentleman was with his girls, with the daughters. Everybody's like hanging around the car because he was vacuuming out some mess in the back seat, whatever. And so I rolled the window down and tell the little girl, watch out, I'm backing up, blah blah blah, right? So I backing up the car, and like within a second, the father turns around and he comes running up to the window. He's like, "Is this thing a manual? Is this thing a manual?" And obviously it's not, but then we got to talking, and sure enough, he also drives a Saab 9.5, and his is a manual, and of course he's got a Saab story. Right now the thermostat seems to be broken based on the conversation we had, and it was overheating, so just thought I'd share that with you. I'm going to hopefully link up with the gentleman at some point. He was going to email me, so hopefully that happens, and I'll give you guys some updates on that one, but just thought that was a pretty awesome Saab story, community story to share with you, since we're talking about Saab community here in this video. And obviously the guy was just lit up by the car, because obviously the 9.5 we just delivered to you, Don, is beautiful inside and out, so he was admiring it, and he was just really thrilled to meet somebody like myself that's into the Saabs, and just like everybody that's into the Saabs. Everybody's always excited about them, enthusiastic about it, and it's like that hidden secret that nobody really knows. Nobody understands the passion for Saab until they actually drive the car, right? And most people don't. So it's like that community feeling. Everybody loves it who knows about it, and hey, we got something in common. So thought that was a fun story for you guys. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.